Ever felt like your to-do list is a black hole? You throw tasks in, but they vanish, never to be seen again, or worse, they multiply into a chaotic mess? Yeah, me too. And I know a lot of you feel that way. We're all searching for that mythical tool, the one that will finally bring order to our chaotic work lives. But with so many project management platforms out there, how do you even choose? Today, we're diving deep into a head-to-head battle that's been raging in the productivity world. Asana versus ClickUp. Which one reigns supreme? We're not just going to give you a simple, this one's better answer. We're going to break down the nitty-gritty, the features, the quirks, and everything in between, so you can decide which platform is the perfect fit for your unique workflow. Let's rewind for a second. Why are we even having this conversation? Because project management software isn't just a fancy digital to-do list. It's the backbone of efficient teamwork, the key to staying on top of deadlines, and the secret sauce for keeping projects from spiraling out of control. In a world where remote work is the norm and collaboration is king, these tools are more crucial than ever. Asana, the sleek, minimalist veteran, has been a favorite for its intuitive interface and task-centric approach. Think of it as the elegant, well-organized library. Everything has its place, and finding what you need is a breeze. Then there's ClickUp, the ambitious newcomer, bursting with features and promising to be the one app to replace them all. Imagine a Swiss Army knife on steroids. It's got everything from task management to time tracking, and even mind mapping, all packed into a single platform. So, let's get down to brass tacks. We're going to compare these two titans across several key areas. 1. User interface and ease of use. First impressions matter, right? Asana's interface is clean, modern, and undeniably user-friendly. It's designed to be simple with a focus on core project management features. You can quickly create tasks, assign them, set deadlines, and track progress, all without feeling overwhelmed. The learning curve is gentle, making it a great choice for teams new to project management software. ClickUp, on the other hand, can feel a bit like stepping into the cockpit of a spaceship. It's packed with features, and while that's a good thing, it can also be overwhelming at first. There's a steeper learning curve, and it might take some time to get comfortable navigating all the different views and settings. However, once you get the hang of it, the level of customization is unparalleled. Think of it this way. Asana is like a well-designed apartment, easy to move into and comfortable from day one. ClickUp is like a customizable mansion, requiring more effort to set up, but offering endless possibilities. 2. Task management. This is where the rubber meets the road. Both platforms excel at task management, but they approach it differently. Asana's task management is straightforward and efficient. You can break down projects into tasks, assign them to team members, set due dates, and track progress using various views like list, board, and calendar. ClickUp takes task management to the next level with its highly customizable features. You can create custom fields, set dependencies, use different task statuses, and even create subtasks with their own sub-subtasks. The level of granularity is impressive, allowing you to manage even the most complex projects with ease. If you need a simple, intuitive task management system, Asana is a great choice. But if you need a highly customizable system with advanced features, ClickUp is the way to go. 3. Views and customization. Asana offers a variety of views, including list, board, calendar, and timeline. These views are clean and easy to use, providing a clear overview of your projects. However, the level of customization is limited. You can't create custom views or dashboards. ClickUp, on the other hand, is a customization powerhouse. It offers a wide range of views, including list, board, calendar, Gantt chart, mind map, and even table. You can also create custom views, dashboards, and widgets to tailor the platform to your specific needs. The level of flexibility is unmatched. Imagine Asana offering a few preset furniture arrangements, while ClickUp lets you design the entire interior of your house. 4. Collaboration and communication. Both platforms offer robust collaboration features, but they approach communication differently. Asana focuses on task-based communication, allowing you to leave comments, attach files, and mention team members within tasks. This keeps communication focused and organized. ClickUp offers a wider range of communication features, including chat, email integration, and even video conferencing. This makes it a more comprehensive communication tool, but it can also be overwhelming if you don't need all those features. If you prefer streamlined task-based communication, Asana is a good choice. But if you need a more comprehensive communication platform, ClickUp has you covered. 5. Integrations. Both platforms integrate with a wide range of third-party apps, but ClickUp offers a more extensive list of integrations. Asana integrates with popular apps like Slack, Google Drive, and Dropbox. ClickUp integrates with hundreds of apps, including Zapier, Integromat, and even GitHub. This makes it a more versatile platform, allowing you to connect it with virtually any tool you use. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.